hit record.
This is homework for Thursday. Did I just go to number one?
Read what the title of the page is.
Dividing fractions using objects and pictures.
Okay, so what's this say?
How many thirds are in 2?
Okay, so how many thirds in there? Put little X's in there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And then look at what this says.
6 times 1/3
equals 2.
2.
Okay, we'll just do this one. How many fourths are in 2?
And it says how many fourths
How
are
many
in
fourths
half.
and a half?
So would it be this?
Yes.
So 1, 2. What would you do that then?
Well, what's it say to do here?
There are 2/4 and half of the rectangles.
Yes, it's 2/4. And a half and 2/4 are equal, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so try this. How many thirds are there in 3? It's the same way as saying 3 divided by 1/3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, how about this one?
2, 4, 6.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this is how many sixths are in 2/3. Well, there isn't sorted in already 3 groups.
Yes, that was perfect.
And so it says how many sixths. So would it be? It'd be this box, right?
Uh-huh.
Would it be 4?
I think you're right. You might really read for us. Because she's just, why is that? Say it loud.
Because there's.
Why is there 4? Why is it 2 but there's 6 boxes? 4.
Because
but there's
the denominator is kind of like how many groups, and there's 3. So it was already sort of split into groups, and so we
they
used
have
2
to
out
be
of those
2
3.
groups. So you just leave. So if it was 3 and 3 or something
Yeah,
like
it's
that, it
like
would
three.
all be.
Yes. That was a really good question and an awesome explanation.
Then this is how many thirds are in 3/9. How do you do that?
So
This is the one I
it
got.
would be there's 9 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, so
And you
would it
did
just be 3?
You did 3, right?
How many thirds are in
9, 3, right there.
Like you already have your groups because the
3?
boxes.
So you want 3, circle 3 9ths. So how many thirds are in 3 9ths?
3.
But each one of these is a 9th. So how many thirds? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3.
Oh. Would it be
How many 9ths are here?
3.
3?
Okay.
So 3 is the answer?
Because 3 times 3 equals 9.
Yes.
Oh, that.
Well, let's talk about this. Let's see if we get this right. Because we've been doing this a little bit, but it's kind of confusing. The answer to this up here, we're doing this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? Okay.
Yeah.
So we have 6 times 1/3. Okay, what's 6 times 3? 6 times 6.
3.
And remember fraction problems are really what?
Yes. Division.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what is 6 divided by 3?
6 divided by 3 is 2.
Okay, wasn't that our answer there?
Yeah.
Okay, and I like the way you explained this one. It says there are, how many fourths are in 1/2? So you circled like this. Let's erase that. Let me do this one. Okay, how many fourths are in 1/2? So you circled, that's half, right? And you said how many fourths are in it? And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. But you're only counting these 2, so what is it? We
It
said
would be 1. It would be 2, but then it would be like.
yeah, because 1/4 equals, 2/4 equals 1/2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now these are really easy. How many thirds are in 3?
Well, it's 9 because just 3 times.
So let me show you the trick though. This is a really cool thing. Do you guys remember what we did for multiplying fractions?
Yeah.
What do you do just for multiplying fractions?
You just go straight across.
Okay. So 3 times
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Oh,
that's
a whole bunch easier.
So,
3 times 1/3 is
What?
3/3, right?
So, like, for this one right here,
But this is division. Do you remember I told you about division?
that's
What do you do with the second number?
you divide.
Yes. When you divide
Oh, I
it,
see,
what's
'cause you do
division
four
do?
times.
You just take this number and do this to it. Remember that?
Yeah.
You turn it upside down.
Oh.
So this right here is the same as doing this,
3 times
which is,
3 times 3 times 1 equals 9.
okay, I'm just rewriting these ways into different.
Wait,
Okay,
is this how you do it? 3 times 2 equals 6 times 1.
that was it. You just said it. So 3 divided by 1/2 is the same as this. 3 times this. This is the same as that. Remember when you were talking about that? Every fraction problem is like a division. So what's 3 times 1?
3.
And yeah, I'm sorry, 3 times 2.
So it goes for this one. 5 times 2 equals 1. 4 times 3
And
equals
that,
12.
see, this is what Nevaeh just said. She flipped the 1/5 to be this, and then she did 2 times 5, which is, and that's what you got right there, right?
How do you do these?
Well, it's the same way. So if 2/3 is right here, how do we rewrite this problem right here as a multiplication? What do you do with this right here? It's a 6. It's
6.
okay, 6 over 1, right?
Yeah.
Which is the same as this. Okay,
So
that'll be 12, right?
Yeah, that'll be 3.
3.
12 thirds.
But what's that equivalent to?
Oh, that's equivalent.
3 will go into 12 how many times?
4.
So that's the same thing.
That's
So it's so simple. I hate when, I'm sorry I said that. I know you hate that. Okay, so this one, 3/9
and 3.
divided by
3.
1/3 equals the same as this. 3/9 times what? Not 1/3.
2 thirds. No. Wait, is that
3
a 3 or a
thirds.
2?
Not, that's a 3 right
Okay,
here.
so it'd be 3
Over 1.
Over 1.
Oh, sorry.
Because I don't know how to say it.
Okay, and what does that equal?
That, well, 3 times 9 equals a whole, so 1.
And then 9 divided by 3.
Well, see, then this should have been 1. What do we do? How many thirds?
Yeah,
Oh, this should have been 1.
That's what me and we're talking
Yeah.
about, but
You were right.
Yeah.
So this goes there. So that's how we divide fractions. All you do is take the second number and flip it. So this one turned into, let's get blue ink.
Green.
I don't think that'll show. Let's erase this first.
That's a lot of writing. People are probably going to get confused.
I think it's okay to get confused the first time you do this. Okay, Nevaeh, explain what I'm going to do here. 3 divided by 1/2 is the same as what?
3 divided by 1/2 is the same as saying
3 times what? We're going to flip this.
3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6.
And that's what this was, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
So it's that easy.
so let's keep going. Hang on. How do
This
we,
is the same as 3 times 4, which is 3 times 4, which equals 12. And then 12 times 1, which equals 12.
You're doing an awesome job.
This one would be 10, because 5 times 2 equals 10, times 1 equals 10, because anything times 1 equals that number.
Oh, so you
And Nevaeh's rocking this. So this was really easy. It's the same thing as saying 2/3 what? Not divided by 1/6.
6, it would be 6, and then 1 on the bottom. I don't really know how to
Yeah,
say
you're right.
fractions.
That's just, it's the whole number 6. Okay, 2/3. What's 2 times 6?
12.
Okay.
12.
3 times 1,
And yeah, 12 thirds.
which is the same as saying
4, because
12,
12,
4 times.
yeah.
Sorry, I'm
So if you count it by 4s, 3 times, so it'd be 4, 8, 12.
okay, so we do 3/9. This is the same as 3/9 times what?
3 over 1.
Yep.
And then that's 9. And that's 9. So then you do that equals a whole. So that's
9.
1. Yeah.
If,
It
because
says how many thirds are in 3 9? So 1,
and
2,
this
3.
is
That's
3 9s, right? 1 9, 1 9, 1 9. But it's also 1/3.
Yeah.
So that's what? Yay.
Excuse me.
I know it's really long, but it's
Kinda
super good.
sick.
Sorry for the